Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the Gsleepee, and this is a mattress I got. It's a mattress in a box. I took it out of the box just to make it a little easier here to show. It comes with a little letter opener. I guess that's going to be to open up this. This is the roll here, you can see it. Now let's see if we can open this up and I'll show you guys what it does and how it looks. So this is it down here. Can we aim me down slightly more? Let's see what we can do. So I guess we'll go and grab it in there somehow. I don't think I have to take this off first. Well, there, I don't know what this. It's in the wrong place. Nope, don't want to break my bed. Now I guess I gotta move it back. Move it outside. So this bed is currently about an inch thick. It's supposed to be a 12-inch mattress, so I guess when we open it, that's what's going to happen. Let's see how it is. It is, look at that. Got big. I think I did it upside down. I know I did it upside down. That's okay, I guess I'll have to take the plastic off. Here it is, upside down. And let's see how we're going to do this. Put it this way. There it is. So there is my bed with a mattress on it. How cool is that? Just came in a little box. And that box, whew, oh, pretty comfortable. Got a lot of bounce to it. Guess it's time for a nap. I like it though. Super cool. Thumbs up.